In this video, I want to share with you 100 prompts that will be trending in the month of November. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 100 ideogram prompts for November, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Monday, September 2nd. I'm recording this at 6:15 a.m. in the morning, so don't have any sales yet. But if we take a look at yesterday, we can see that I did 33 sales, $51 in royalties. And we could take a look at last month, August. I actually had my best month ever. My next video will be about my royalties. So I finally hit my goal of doing $3,000, waking up every day this year at 5 a.m. and just getting to work. I think I've uploaded close to 4,000 unique designs on Merch by Amazon so far this year. So nice to see the hard work paying off. But there's a quick little sales update. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, gym pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So if you're a gold member on my YouTube channel, every month I send out a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending 2 months from now. So since it is September 1st, in 2 months, it's going to be November. So I just sent that out to my gold members, and I want to make a video for my subscribers if you guys are interested in it. Now, if you want to get just 5 of the free prompts, just click on the first link in the description. All you have to do is just click right here where it says I want this, and then just type in the number 0 and just hit enter, and you go ahead and download it for free. And then if you like these 5 free prompts, you can click on the second link and you can get 95 more, a total of 100 prompts for only $9.99. All right, so links for those will be in the description. But now let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts. So here is actually the Word file for the 5 freebies. And the first one is going to be powered by plants. This is a vegan niche. So if we go to Google, we're going to see that November 1st is World Vegan Day. And here is the prompt right here on my Ideogram account. So powered by plants. I think this actually turned out really nice. Now, almost all of these prompts I'm using the 2.0 new version, all right? Because I did like 15 prompts, and then Ideogram came out with the new version, so I started using them. So everything is on this 2.0 version, the latest, and I'm also using the design tag. This is probably the best one for print on demand. These ones I haven't really used too much, but for illustrations, designs, cartoon effects, I use the design one. So that's what I would recommend when using the prompts. And then you can also change up the size. I like to do 3x4. And then also do quality. Now that is going to cost you more credits. You can see it's 3 credits. If you go to default, it's 2, but quality, it will basically almost never mess up the text, or the text will almost always be right. So that is the first one, this powered by plants. It's a vegan niche because it will be trending on November 1st. And then the next one is going to be CPA, so not your average CPA. If we go to Google, we will see that I believe CPA, when is it? So right here we're going to see, okay, so November 10th is International Accounting Day. And if we go back to Ideogram here and we just type that in, you can just search by it. So what was it? Nacho average CPA. This is the design right here and the prompt. And this one is actually a very popular design style. Just from doing my research over these past, a few months that I've been sending out niches for members and things like that, I keep seeing this design style for so many different niches, especially for like occupations. Let me turn the fan on here because it's getting kind of hot. So this can be scaled. So you can do, not your average CPA, because that will be trending in November, but you can do it for all the different types of niches. So not your average financial advisor, not your average, nurse. You want to niche more down, but I'm just saying that this can be scaled. All right, so that's the second one. And let's go ahead and take a look at the third one. The third one is going to be pancreatic cancer. And make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to show you all of the other 95 prompts, show you what the designs look like if you're interested in purchasing the Word file. So let's go back here and take a look at pancreatic cancer. This actually turned out a nice one. That's actually a unicorn one, pancreatic cancer. Let's see if I can get it this one right here. So look how nice this turned out. So the color for pancreatic cancer is going to be purple, and pancreatic cancer is celebrated, or the awareness is in November. So right here we will be able to see, I believe it says it right here. So yeah, November is Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month, and this is the nice design that I came up with. A lot of times you can just take unicorn and cross niche it with so many niches. You know, when I first got onto Merch by Amazon, the unicorn was probably, or it was like the dabbing unicorn, but the unicorn was like probably the best design style. So right here we can see this nice purple unicorn. Looks like all the text is spelled correctly. Pancreatic cancer will never dull my sparkle. So really good design right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the fourth one. The fourth one is going to be, I just really like polar bears. So I believe Polar Bear Week is the first week of November. So let's just go back to Google and just double check just to make sure. So Polar Bears November. We are going to see Polar Bear Week is the first week of November. So that's where I got the niche from. And if we go back here and just type in or copy and paste polar bears, we're going to see this really nice design. And with the new Ideogram version, the designs seem to be a lot better, and they seem to hit on the first one. Like I don't have to remix as much. I'm actually able to make these prompt files, these word files, a lot quicker. So right here you can see I like polar bears and maybe like 3 people. And if you've been following my channel, you know that this is a very popular design style. You can just take so many different types of niches, whether it's an animal niche, so you can do I like, you know, tigers, I like bears, I like chickens, and maybe 3 other people. Or you can do food, like I like ice cream, I like tacos, I like beer. So it's just popular design style. But this design right here turned out really nice. So that is the fourth one. And then the last one is going to be hiking. So I believe it is International Hiking Day on November 16th or 10th or something. So let's go hiking day. Bada bing, bada boom. November 17th. So National Hiking Day is every year on November 17th. So this niche will be trending in November. I was actually able to find some really good hiking niches. I'm actually thinking about just making a video or a word file of like 20 to 30 prompts or designs for the hiking niche, because I was just able to find some good ones. But if I just come back here and go to Ideogram, we're going to see hiking, and where is the one that I liked, or the one that I hearted, my favorite one. So right here, look how nice this is. And the sunset, like I was saying for the last prompt, with the Ideogram 2.0, the sunset designs are just looking really nice, really clean. This is perfect for POD. Yes, I do have a retirement plan. I plan on hiking. Again, this is a very popular design style. I would recommend that as you get good for Merch by Amazon, you just to make like notes, or get like a word file and just type all the different type of design phrases or design styles. But here I'm talking about design phrases, so that every time you come across a new niche, you can just pop in the niche into this design phrase right here. So yes, I do have a retirement plan. We've seen this design phrase do very well. And you just switch out the niche to, I plan on, you know, I don't know, kind of drawing a blank right here, but I plan on playing basketball, I plan on drinking coffee, I plan on basically whatever the niche is, you just put right here. But look how nice this is. Yes, I do have a retirement plan. I plan on hiking. Nice distressed look. So really good prompt right here. That's going to be the 5th one. So if you're interested, you can get these for free. All you have to do is just click on that first niche in the, you just have to click on that first link in the description, and you'll be able to get this. Let me take a sip of coffee because it's kind of early. I'm still trying to get my brain to function. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the remaining 95 prompts, because I actually came up with some really good ones. So I just need to go back here, and I'm just going to go to liked. Now, I hope this doesn't happen. Upcoming changes to your profile. Soon you'll be managing all of your images and my images. I'm afraid that if they do this, I won't have this liked feature right here. And that's going to make it a lot harder for me to make these videos. But right here, so after I make the my royalty video showing you how much I made on Merch by Amazon, Etsy, YouTube, all that stuff, I'm going to come up with this 30 prompts for November. So here's just kind of a quick look at them. So just make sure you're subscribed and you got the bell notification so you get notified. But here we go. So here is the start of the 100 prompts. Now the way that I do it is I break it down into basically 5 sections. So there's going to be food prompts, there's going to be animal prompts, there's going to be career and job prompts, and there's going to be like special interest prompts, and there's going to be federal prompts. So here are the federal ones. So Veterans Day is coming up, so female veteran, this is a really good way to niche down. Everybody's just going to be doing like regular veteran shirts, but if you can niche down and do like a female veteran, you know, you'll be able to cut the competition in half. So female veteran, touch me and your first lesson is free. Service, valor, freedom with the dog tag. Here's another way that you can niche down in the veteran niche by focusing on races. So like proud black veteran, again, most people are just going to be doing regular veteran shirts, but this is a good way to niche down, whether it's by gender or by race. Home of the free because of the brave, really nice one with the flag in the boots. Here we got some more federal ones. So it is going to be Dominican Republican Independence Day on November 3rd. So right here we got November 3rd, Dominican Independence Day, my sexy Dominican husband, or no, I love my sexy Dominican husband. Platano power, so platano is how you say Spanish. I'm sorry, platano is how you say banana in Spanish. Maybe banana is like a big fruit that they sell in the Dominican. This is another really good one. Let me get my head out the way here so we can see all these. So I'm not yelling, I'm Dominican, that's how we talk. Next one is going to be Ohio. I believe it's like Ohio Day or something like that in November. Antigua, Caribbean. Here is the start of the special interest designs or prompts. So hiking trails and wagging tails. A lot of people like to go hiking with their dogs, so this is a really good way to cross niche hiking with dogs. Plus it's like you know, a play on words. Anytime you can get like some rhyming designs, that's going to work well. Hiking trails, or trails rhymes with tails. It's another half mile or so that's a funny one. Funny designs sell really well on Merch by Amazon. I'd rather be hiking, popular phrase, I'd hike that. That's a funny one as well. Instead of saying I'd hit that, it's I'd hike that. This one I just showed you. Here's one where we're cross-nicing sloth with hiking. So hike more, worry less. This one right here is for vasectomies. So vasectomies, yes, it is a niche and it is selling. So here we have 100% juice, no seeds. Next one is snip, snip, hooray. And then we have some scientist ones. I believe it is some type of science day in November. So think like a proton, be positive. Y'all need science. So instead of y'all need Jesus, y'all need science. Science doesn't care what you believe. It's a good day to teach science. So for science teachers. Now we're getting into, oh no, never mind. So redhead, I thought it was a food jam one. But here are some redhead ones. So being a redhead is my jam. Cross-niching jam with redheads. Not your average redhead. Again, the same design style that I just showed you. Team redhead. Here we got totally winging it. So it's aviation day in November. Pilot dad, like a normal dad, but cooler. I'd rather be flying. Fuel, and then here's a candle one because it's candle day. So fueled by candle making and coffee. Now we're getting into the animal ones. So polar bears. I showed you this one. Here's another one. I just really like polar bears. Just a girl who loves polar bears. This one turned out really nice, really cute. Jellyfish. I just really like jellyfish. Just a boy who loves jellyfish. Jellyfish stink survivor. And then we got manatees. So I just freaking love manatees. My spirit animal is a manatee. This is my human costume. I'm really a manatee, so this is going to be good for Halloween. Just a girl who loves manatees. Another good one. I believe I put that one on the thumbnail. And now we're getting into some health awareness ones. So never underestimate the strength of a woman. It's for pancreatic cancer. I showed you this one. My God is stronger than pancreatic cancer. Survivor. Look how nice that one is. They did a really good job with the butterflies. I'm strong. I'm a survivor. I will remember for you what the heart can't remember, the heart forgets. So this is for Alzheimer's. So this elephant one, this one right here. I wear purple for my granny. Alzheimer's awareness. And this one could be scaled. You could put mom, grandma, grandpa, etc., brother, sister. Then it's going to be lung cancer awareness in November. So I wear white for my husband. Again, it can be scaled. Lung cancer awareness. My hero is now my angel. Lung cancer awareness. No one fights alone. Lung cancer awareness. And we got epilepsy in November. So epilepsy awareness. My niece fight is my fight. Oh, I put 2 there. Some people never meet their hero. I gave birth to mine. Then we got COPD awareness. I believe that has to do something with breathing. No one fights alone. I'm a COPD warrior. My hero is now my angel. I wear orange for my mom. And then here we got some occupation ones. So this is my dog grooming shirt. I'm a tattoo groomer. So dog grooming is the niche. I'm a tattoo groomer just like a normal dog groomer, except way cooler. Skilled enough to be a dog groomer, crazy enough to love it. Real men marry nurse practitioners. The best kind of mom raised a nurse practitioner, so that's the niche here, nurse practitioner. Nurse practitioner, brain of a doctor, heart of a nurse. Crunching numbers is my cardio, so I believe this is for CPA or accounting. Retired accountant, see you later calculator. So instead of see you later alligator, it's see you later calculator. This one I showed you. And then here we got property management niche. So I'm not a miracle worker, but I am a property manager, so close enough. I'm a property manager. So while it's possible that I could be wrong, it's extremely unlikely. This is another really popular phrase that we've seen sell very well on Merch by Amazon. Project manager, because freaking miracle worker is not an official job title. Again, this is another very popular phrase. You can take these, you can scale them, and you can just put in any type of basically job or career. But since project manager is a day that will be trending in November, that's why I have it here. Can I notarize your document? Public notary, because lawyers need heroes too. So those are the career or job profession ones. Now we are getting into, I believe, the food ones. So I like sardines and maybe like 3 people, powered by sardines. I'm here to eat all the pickles. Stop staring at my pickle. That's pretty funny. This situation calls for pickles. I need cappuccino right meow. This is one of my favorite ones. Again, we're seeing how good Ideogram is doing with these the retro sunset designs, which is very popular. But first cappuccino, and you can scale these. You know, you can just basically, for this prompt right here, instead of taking cat, you can put it to like dog, you know, chicken, you know, all the farm animals, all the animals, pandas, rabbits, etc., hedgehog. You can do the same thing with this panda one right here. Instead of a panda, switch it out for a rabbit. This girl really loves cappuccino. This one is deviled eggs, so sorry I wasn't listening. I was thinking about deviled eggs. Certified deviled egg expert. All I need is peanut butter and a spoon. And what's going on? Is that all you got? Huh. So I thought there would be more. But you can see, you know, just a lot of really good prompts here for a lot of really good niches that will be trending in November. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and you can get the Word file. The link will be in the description. But that's going to be it for this video. It's kind of getting kind of long. Now, if you want to become a member and get these every month, if you want to get these word prompts, these Word files with 100 prompts for free, become a member. It's only $10. You get so many benefits. If you click on the join button, you can watch the video and you can see all the benefits that you get. But you get daily trending niches, you get prompts to come with those niches, you get the keywords for those niches. I also give you access to my Creative Fabrica shop, so if you don't want to mess around with Ideogram, you can just go ahead and just download the file right from Creative Fabrica. I put out weekly videos about evergreen niches, so you get trending and evergreen, just a whole bunch of benefits. So if you're interested, take a look. That's going to be it. Hope you guys are doing good, had a great weekend, and getting ready for Q4. You know, we're about 8 months in. This is the 9th month, so getting close to Q4. Going to be an exciting time of the year. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.